guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a review of the new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on the foundation and my review, obviously stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And then of course, be sure to like, comment, and share, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So the foundation does retail for $38 and is 1.1 fluid ounces, which is about the standard size for a foundation with just a teensy bit more. And Makeup Forever did release this foundation in 40 shades, y'all. 40 shades. Finally, a brand is releasing 40 shades at once. I mean, obviously Fenty did it, but I'm just saying, you know, other brands want to come out with the dark shades later. But I ended up getting this foundation in the shade Y433. So in the normal Makeup Forever, like the Ultra HD, I wear a Y445, but I find that can be just a tad bit too dark. So I went with the next shade down. So hopefully this matches pretty well. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the demo and see how we're liking the foundation. So I went ahead and clipped my bang back so it'll be a little bit easier to manage. And then I'm going to start by priming my skin with the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer, the hydrating one. And that is what this looks like right here. I'm just going to apply some on the back of my hand and then apply it all over with a damp beauty blender sponge. So next I'm just going to take the foundation and squeeze it out on the back of my hand. And this is how much I squeezed out. And I'm going to begin applying it with my damp beauty blender sponge. So the foundation, I would definitely say, is full coverage. For sure. The color I think is pretty decent. So this is what the foundation looks like all over, and of course I look slightly crazy because I just look like one shade, which normally happens with full coverage foundations. I do think the color is pretty good. It looks kind of close to my neck, which I think is pretty nice. It is very similar, I would say, to the Matte Velvet in that it is matte. Like, you need to make sure you moisturize and hydrate and all that good stuff before you apply this foundation because it is definitely mattifying. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the rest of my face and see how everything else turns out, and then I'll be back. So this is the finalized look, and I just went ahead and added a little bit of complexion and some eyes and a lip. And I use mostly Makeup Forever products because I figured they will pair really well with the foundation. And this is how everything is looking. So far I think the foundation is pretty good. It's not really transferring, it's not sticky, not tacky. Like, it feels very comfortable on the face. It is pretty matte though, and like I said previously, it does really remind me of the Matte Velvet foundation, although it didn't dry me out as much as that one did. But overall, I do like the finish that it gave. And if you're someone who has a really oily skin, is looking for a very matte foundation, then this one I would say would be good for you. But for me, I don't know. I don't know if I'll pick this one back up anytime soon. Overall, I am pleased with the look, but I don't know. I'm just not 100% sold on the foundation. Like, if I had to give it a score out of 1 out of 5, I'll probably give it a 3.5 just because it's so matte, and that's basically it. Just how matte it is. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm a matte girl, but it was just a little bit too matte for me, and I already wasn't a big fan of the Matte Velvet, so, you know, it probably wasn't going to work out in the first place. But overall, like I said, the look came out really nicely, and I like how the foundation looks, but it'll probably be a while before I pick this one back up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation. If you did, obviously give this video a thumbs up. I'm just saying, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So let's make it happen. Share the video, all that good stuff. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching.